Imagine a world where your child's curiosity about stars, planets, and the night sky is brought to life through interactive learning experiences. A world where hands on experiments bring complex scientific ideas to life. Welcome to the Young Scientist program by Navars Edutech, India's leader in space education. Our Young Scientist program is designed specifically for students from grade 3 to 5. It is split into 3 levels: Introductory, Explorer, and Inventor. Each level is tailored specifically to meet the developmental needs of children of this age. It is designed to guide them from basic scientific concepts to advanced space technology. Let's start with the Young Scientist Introductory program. This program consists of 10 sessions which introduces the student to the wonders of astronomy and earth sciences. Imagine the student learning about the formation of Earth and the solar system, the relationship between Earth and Moon, and about ancient astronomy. Through interactive lessons and hands-on projects, such as building their own constellation projector or assembling their own binoculars, the student not only gains knowledge but also develops critical problem-solving skills. These projects aren't just for fun. They give students a hands-on way to explore the night sky, to learn about celestial mechanics, and grasp the basics of optics and light. They'll also build an Earth-Moon orrery, a mechanical model which simulates the synchronous orbital motion of Moon around the Earth. This project allows students to visualize and understand complex ideas such as lunar phases and why we only see one side of the Moon from the Earth. Do you know what this is called? For those who are eager to dive deeper, the Young Scientist Explorer program, which comes next, includes 15 sessions which are packed with even more fun and excitement. From learning about sustainable living in space to the dynamics of light, this program is all about applying scientific principles to real-world scenarios. The student will explore how astronauts live in space and learn about sustainable energy by constructing their own space house made using photovoltaic cells. The project teaches the importance of renewable energy in space environments, skills that will not only inspire a passion for science but also promote awareness of sustainable living on Earth. About how airplanes and gliders work. In the Young Scientist Explorer program, the students build their own aerodynamic glider, which will introduce them to the concepts of lift, drag, thrust, and gravity. It is a fun way to get introduced to basics of flight mechanics. They'll also build their own solar oven, discovering how astronauts in the future will probably cook their food once they're on distant planets exploring new realms. For those with insatiable curiosity and love for problem-solving skills, we offer the Young Scientist Inventor program, which is the ultimate challenge. This 20 sessions is packed with new knowledge about space mechanics, about rockets, and telescopes. This dives the student further into the world of space and astronomy. In the Inventor program, the student will build their own telescope, exploring the same principles that Galileo once used that revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. By the end of the project, they'll be able to observe distant objects like the moon and stars, deepening their appreciation for the vastness of space. One of the most exciting and flagship project in this program is the Rocketrix rocket launch kit. Students will design and build their own rockets, learning about forces involved in rocket launches like elastic energy, gravity, and weight. They'll even get to stimulate the rocket launching project just like real aerospace engineers. At every level, the Young Scientist program is designed not just to educate but also inspire. By combining interactive theory with practical hands-on projects, the student will develop a strong understanding of scientific principles, creativity, and problem-solving skills which are essential in today's world. Each session is supported by a comprehensive guidebook which not only gives them extra information about what is taught but also explains the theory behind the projects that they are building. This will spark a joy of learning in the students and also give an understanding to the parents about what their children are learning. Whether the student is just beginning to explore science or is already dreaming of becoming an astronaut, the Young Scientist program at Navars Edutech will take them on a thrilling journey. Let's empower the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. Enroll today for the Young Scientist program at Navars Edutech and watch your child reach for the stars. Visit www.navarsedutech.com to learn more. The future of science starts here. Let's build it together with the Young Scientist program.